Lesson 2. Soil Properties and Water Management. Soil is the foundation of agriculture, made up of mineral particles, organic matter, air, water, and living organisms. It forms when rocks are broken down into particles. Physical weathering breaks rocks through temperature changes, freeze-thaw cycles, abrasion, or plant roots. In a simple soil profile, the topsoil is typically the richest in organic matter and darkest in color. Soil texture refers to the relative proportions of sand, silt, and clay particles. Sandy soils are easy to cultivate and warm up quickly, but hold little water and nutrients. In contrast, clay soils have smaller particles, providing higher water retention but often poorer drainage. Loam soil is highly valued because it balances drainage and water retention better than extreme sand or clay. Beyond texture, a good soil crumb structure is important because it improves aeration, drainage, and root growth. Maintaining soil fertility is crucial. Nitrogen supports leafy green growth, and its deficiency often causes yellowing of older leaves. Nitrogen can come from organic sources like farmyard manure or composted plant residues, or from legumes working with symbiotic microorganisms and root nodules to fix nitrogen. Phosphorus is another key nutrient, supporting rooting. Its deficiency often causes poor root development and purplish leaves. Water management is equally vital. Excess water can reduce aeration and damage roots, so draining waterlogged land is necessary. Conversely, dry conditions require conservation. Minimum tillage helps retain moisture by reducing soil disturbance, while mulching conserves water by covering the soil surface with plant material. Drip irrigation is often preferred in dry Namibian conditions because it applies water slowly near plant roots, reducing waste. Poor water management can lead to leaching, where nutrients are washed downward out of the root zone, or gully erosion, where deep channels are cut into the land by concentrated runoff.